Let's take a look at the first example. This time we have a variable on the right side of the equation. Anytime you are going to have a problem like this, you're supposed to perform regular operations like we used to do up to this point. Okay? 6 is multiplied to x. I have to eliminate multiplication and cancel out 6. What am I supposed to do? In order to eliminate multiplication, I'm supposed to use division, and I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. This time I have to divide by 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out. 24 divided by 6 is equal 4. 6 divided by 6 is equal 1. 1 times x is x. Otherwise I can say x is equal 4. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. We're supposed to find value of x. X is multiplied to 9. I have to eliminate multiplication and cancel out the number which is multiplied to x. That's why I'm going to divide both sides equation by the number which is multiplied to x. In this case is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1, and negative divided by positive will give me negative. 54 divided by 9 is equal 6 equals x. You can rewrite this equation as x equals negative 6. Remember, anytime you move left side to the right and right side to the left, we don't change the signs. Okay, you have to remember, everything from the left side move to the right, and everything from the right side move to the left. We don't change the signs. That's why this is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify the answer, simply replace this x by negative 6. So I'm going to have minus 54 equals 9 times negative 6. Minus 54 equals positive 9 times negative 6 is negative 54. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why x equals negative 6 is the solution to my problem.